What if I told you that everyone who downloads your freebie or lead magnet is ready to buy from you right now? Well, it's actually true. Jolie, our MiloTree customer, had over 1,600 people download her checklist, but she didn't offer them anything else, and without knowing it, left over $3,000 on the table. Then she tried this one strategy that I'm going to talk about called a Tripwire. And guess what? She made that money back in about 30 days. So let me show you. I'm Jillian Leslie, co-founder of MiloTree, the platform that lets you sell digital products and grow your audience without needing a website or complicated tech tools. Okay, here's what most creators don't understand. When someone downloads your freebie, they're excited about you right now. And this is the perfect moment to offer them something more. That's what a Tripwire is. It's a low-priced impulse buy, usually between $7 and $27, that you offer immediately after someone downloads your freebie, right on the thank you page. So let's say they just got your free furniture flipping checklist because you flip furniture on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, they're on the thank you page and it says, I've got this complete furniture flipping toolkit for you with pricing guides and listing templates, let's say, and it's just $17. Well, they're already excited. They want to start flipping furniture, so they click buy. And here's why Tripwires are so effective. There are 3 reasons. 1, they turn your new subscribers into customers instantly. Someone who buys once, even if it's just $17, is way more likely to buy your bigger products later. 2, you're making money while building your list. Most people wait months before they start monetizing their email subscribers. You're monetizing from day 1. And 3, perfect way to test product ideas fast. Rachel offered a $24 Tripwire after her interior design checklist. 8% of people bought it. That's over $3,000 in 60 days just from the Tripwire. But here's the best part. Those Tripwire buyers, well, 16% of them bought her $67 main product. So you're not just making money from the Tripwire, you're identifying your best customers. So let me show you how to create your freebie and Tripwire using this AI prompt. You can grab the complete prompt below. So step 1, open ChatGPT and copy and paste this in. You are a digital product strategist who specializes in creating freebie to Tripwire funnels. Help me create both a freebie and Tripwire that work together perfectly. So my niche, add your niche. My target audience, you add that as well. And then you say, okay, suggest 5 freebie and Tripwire combinations where the Tripwire is the natural next step. These ideas should hit at least one of these 6 purchasing triggers. For each combination, include the freebie name, the Tripwire price, why someone would buy the Tripwire after getting the freebie, a brief description of what's in each, and then you're going to press enter and see your results. Now you're going to add this second prompt for my chosen combination. So you're going to pick your favorite combination and add it, create a freebie outline, a 10-item checklist or cheat sheet, 1 major quick win, makes them want more, and a Tripwire outline. What's included, how it builds on the freebie, what problem it solves, can be created in about 2 to 3 hours, makes the Tripwire feel like the obvious next step for someone who just loved the freebie. So see how the Tripwire is the natural next step? The freebie got them excited about flipping furniture. The Tripwire gives them the tools to actually do it. Now, let me show you how ridiculously easy it is to set this up in MiloTree. If you've already created your freebie from last week's video, this takes maybe 5 additional minutes. If you haven't, watch this video first and see how straightforward setting up your freebie is. So here I am in my MiloTree dashboard. I've got my freebie set up. Now I click digital download because I am going to create my Tripwire product and it's going to be a bundle. So I give my product a name, a price, a short description. To create a bundle, all I do is drag different PDFs into this box. Next, click Create Sales Page. Our AI generates your sales page. I edit it how I see fit. I even add a photo. Now here's the magic. I go back to my freebie settings. I click this button that says Create Upsell in the Upsell Tripwire area. I select my $17 toolkit from the dropdown. I can give it a discount if I want. I save it. I am done. Now I can preview my thank you page. So this is what it looks like after someone opts in to get my freebie, and notice right here is the Tripwire. All they have to do is press buy. MiloTree processes the payment and delivers the product automatically. And here's the best part. You set this up once, it runs forever. So every single person who downloads your freebie sees your Tripwire, and you are making money 24/7. Now you can set up your first Tripwire for free using MiloTree's free plan. One freebie, one Tripwire, no credit card needed. So test it, see how it converts. But here's why you want to upgrade to our Grow plan at $25 a month. You can create unlimited freebies and unlimited Tripwires, test different combinations, because maybe your furniture flipping checklist works better with a $12 pricing calculator than a $19 toolkit. And with unlimited products, you find out fast. Here's your action plan. First, grab my freebie and Tripwire AI prompt pack. The link is below. It includes the complete two-step prompt I just showed you. Second, if you haven't created your freebie yet, watch last week's video and do that first. Third, use this new AI prompt pack below to come up with your Tripwire product, then go create it quickly. Now, fourth, sign up for MiloTree's free plan, set up your freebie to Tripwire funnel in about 10 minutes. And remember, every person who downloads your freebie is a potential customer. So don't let them slip away. Offer your Tripwire, make money while building your list, and turn subscribers into buyers from day one. So next week, I'm talking about sales funnels and showing you how to add order bumps and upsells to maximize every sale even more. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. Links to MiloTree and the AI prompt pack are below. Start making money from your email list today.